everyone, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the Michigan election scam. So do watch this video till the end and stay tuned with us. I will share its silent features. Also do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel, as it works as a motivation to bring more such informative and exciting news for you. So without any delay, let's move further. Michigan is a state in the Green Lakes and Midwestern of the United States. It is the largest state of United States, both in population and geographical features. Michigan is a state with the most decentralized election system. Recently, in 2020 Michigan elections, the Office of the Michigan Secretary of State oversees the election process, including voting and vote counting. To vote by mail, the Michigan voters were ordered to request a ballot by October 30, 2020. Though the elections in the Michigan isn't new, but the 2020 Michigan's elections hit the headlines when there were a suspicion of Michigan election scam predicted. In between the process of counting of votes on an early Wednesday, images of election maps suggesting Joe K. Biden suddenly receiving 138,339 votes in Michigan, or 100% of the newly counted ballots in an update of the state tally appeared. The controversy converted the Michigan election 2020 into a battleground. According to the New York Times, the image quickly set off claims of Michigan election scam across social media, which was further amplified by President Trump, who shared them on Twitter with the caption, "What is this all about?" However, it was later confirmed by the election officials that Mr. Biden didn't receive those votes. They were briefly added to his unofficial total on an election map because of a typo of an additional O in a small Michigan counting that was caught and corrected in roughly an hour. That's what the New York Times reports said. The scam on social media created a huge controversy of voter fraud. The post was shared many times. However, it was deleted by the owner with an apology. But the suspicion of the Michigan election scam prevailed. Even Donald Trump catalyzed the suspicion with his tweets. There were another rumor spreading throughout the text message in Michigan, draining a typographical error in switching people's votes. However, in between these scams and correction news, Key Biden is declared winner of Michigan by media organization. Michigan K. Biden on 5th November 2020 said that he wasn't yet declaring victory for United States, but said that when the counts finished, we believe we will be the winner. Also, Donald Trump filed lawsuits as the victory path narrowed. Hence, the scam rumor of the Michigan election converted the election into a war for victory among the political parties. That's all about today's video. I hope you liked it. Please share your views on this news, and don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. So be informed and be safe.